Good morning, Paramount Panthers. This is Mr. Height. Today, and all this month, we are celebrating Black History Month. Each day, I will present a video to you, just honoring one or two people from Black History Month that have made a significant contribution to American history. So today's person is Arthur Ashe. Arthur Ashe was the first African-American player to compete in the international sport of tennis at the highest level of the game. After an early retirement from sports due to heart surgery, Ashe used his sportsman profile and legendary poise to promote human rights, education, and public health. Arthur Ashe, Jr. was born on July 10, 1943 in Richmond, Virginia. He spent most of his early life with his mother and father in Richmond, Virginia. His father was a caretaker at a park in Richmond, and they lived on the grounds. And on the grounds, they had 4 tennis courts in a pool and 3 baseball diamonds. This is where Arthur learned to love sports and learned to play tennis. His early nickname was called Skinny or Bones, and he grew up to be 6 foot 1 inch with a lean build. Ashe began to play tennis at the age of 6. He received instruction from R. Walter Whirlwind Johnson, an African-American doctor from Lynchburg, Virginia, who opened his home in the summers to tennis prospects, including the great Alethea Gibson. Johnson used his military-style methods to teach tennis skills and to stress his special code of sportsmanship, which included respect, sharp appearance, and no cheating at any time. Arthur Ashe attended Richmond City Public Schools and received a diploma from Maggie L. Walker High School in 1961. After success as a junior player in the American Tennis Association, he was the first African-American junior to receive a U.S. Lawn Tennis Association national ranking when he won the National Interscholastics Tournament in 1960. He also received a full scholarship to UCLA and played tennis for them and won multiple national championships there. In 1977, he was married to his wife Jean. They had a daughter, and then in 1979, Arthur Ashe almost defeated John McEnroe in the U.S. Open Championships. After heart surgery, Arthur Ashe announced his retirement from competitive tennis. After retiring from competition, Arthur Ashe served as a captain for the U.S. Davis Cup team and led them to consecutive victories in 1981 and 1982. Arthur Ashe also received attention for his protests against slavery in South Africa, and also he had a call and a challenge to others for higher educational standards for all athletes. He spent most of his time public speaking, teaching, writing, and becoming a public service person. He helped develop the ABC Cities program, combining tennis with academics. He helped develop the Safe Passage Foundation for poor children, which included tennis training. And he also created the Black Tennis and Sports Foundation to assist minority athletes. After heart surgery in 1983, Ashe became the national campaign chairman for the American Heart Association and the only non-medical member of the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Advisory Council. Ashe was elected to the UCLA Hall of Fame Sports. He was also elected into the Virginia Sports Hall of Fame, and he was inducted into the Eastern Tennis Association Hall of Fame. Arthur Ashe died on February 6, 1993 in New York City. Arthur Ashe's body lay in the state at the governor's mansion in Virginia, and mourners paid their respects at a memorial service held in New York City and at the Arthur Ashe Athletic Center in Richmond. In 1996, Ashe's hometown of Richmond announced plans to create a statue in his honor. The following year, a new stadium in New York, in Flushing Meadows, New York, was named after him. Have a great day.